Why are Azure data egress costs so high and how to reduce them? Imagine you have a big bucket of water, and every time you pour some out, you get charged. That's kind of how Azure data egress costs work. When you transfer data out of Microsoft Azure data centers to the internet or other regions, you pay for each gigabyte. But moving data into Azure is free. So the more data you send out, the higher your costs climb. Transfers within the same Azure region are free, but crossing regions or zones adds up fast. If you're moving data between continents or different data centers, expect to see a significant bill. Different services like Azure Data Lake Storage or Azure Data Factory also have specific charges for data egress. Cold or archive storage tiers are cheaper to store but cost more when you access or transfer data. The size of your data matters too. Larger transfers cost more, but Azure offers discounts for high-volume transfers. The destination is key. Sending data to external locations or other cloud providers incurs charges, especially if you're using the public internet. Using Microsoft's premium global network can sometimes be cheaper than transit internet service providers. To cut down on these costs, you want to design your setup smartly. Keep your data and resources in the same Azure region whenever possible. This way, you avoid cross-region transfer fees. Review your data flows regularly and only transfer what you really need. Compress data before moving it to reduce volume. If you need to transfer large amounts of data often, consider Azure ExpressRouting. It's a dedicated connection that offers more predictable and often lower costs compared to using the internet. Use Azure cost management tools to track your egress usage. Set budgets and monitor for unexpected spikes. Choose the right storage tier for your needs. If you access data frequently, hot storage might be better, even if it costs more upfront. For infrequently accessed data, cold or archive tiers can save money on storage but might increase transfer costs if you need to access it often. Batch your data transfers or do incremental syncs instead of full data movements. This way, you only transfer what's necessary, saving both time and money. Combining these strategies helps you control your Azure egress costs without sacrificing performance or security. Managing data transfer costs is a key part of keeping your cloud infrastructure efficient and budget-friendly.